In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit your Java files electronically to me. A couple things we want to be sure we do. One is, when you send me your Java file electronically, I will ask that you title the email with a specific name. The reason for this is that I've set up a number of rules in my mailbox which allows me to sort mail that's sent by students. Second thing that you should take away from this is the fact that this workspace has a number of projects within it. We need to know where the projects save this first input.java. So if this is what needs to be submitted, I need to know where on the computer first input.java lives. So to show you this, I'm going to put JCreator on the left hand side here, and I'm going to open up on the right hand side the Explorer. So if we go to Documents, remember in Documents you have a JCreator LE directory, and then inside here you have My Projects, and then you have inside here directories which match all the existing projects you've made. So notice, here's a project called First Inputs, here's a directory called First Inputs, here's a project called Simple Inputs, here's a directory called Simple Inputs. All the files that exist inside First Inputs exists inside this directory. So if I double click on it, there's the first input file. It's really important that you send me the .java file, or what you would see if you hover your mouse over it, the Java source file. Please do not send me the .class file. That is the compiled version of your Java program, and I can't see the text because that is the file that is created every time you compile first input. So the computer can read that, but I won't be able to see what you've typed. So let's send this now. So I'm going to open up my email, and imagining that I'm a student in my own class, I'm going to submit this. So we hit New Email, and we're going to send this to Paul Miskew. My subject. Now, it's very important that, again, with each exercise, I will give you a specific subject to name the email you submit with. So the convention is going to be, this is my first exercise, so I'll call this exercise 1-11. Exercise 1, grade 11. So now I will insert an attached file, and just so we see how we get there, you go from Documents, JCreator LE, My Projects, First Inputs, and the first input file. So notice what's going to happen now. I'm going to send this to myself, but watch this folder, exercise 1-11. So if I click send, it's sent, and now I hit F9. Oh, it's already here. So notice, instead of going into my inbox, this email has gone directly into this folder. So when students from our class submit their work after the due date, I'll simply check this folder for everyone's programs.